Good morning everyone, and welcome to another live HyperFX trading session. Please read and note the disclaimer that you're seeing on your screen before we get started. So another fantastic day today, guys. This week has been very clean, and I've been in and out of my trades within an hour, which is obviously fantastic. The trade I took today using the HyperFX system and the robot was on the pound dollar chart. The indicator alerted me to get into a sell. And once the trade met the HyperFX criteria, I simply pressed the sell button and everything was automatically pre-placed for me. So my sell stop loss, pending orders, and once I had reached my profit target, I would simply close out the trade, which you'll see at the end of this video. So the stop loss was placed on the other side of the support or resistance, depending on if it's a buy or a sell trade. So today I was able to take about 2.3% on this one trade, and I was in the market for no more than 20 minutes today, which was, again, like I said, it was fantastic. I was in and out very quickly, but in most cases you will have about 2 to 3 losing trades before you catch the big winner. Or like this week, you can have all clean trades right off the bat, but I want to make sure that that's not very typical. So sometimes you will go through 2 or 3 trades, losing trades, before you catch that one big one, a winner trade. So what we do know is that the market is unpredictable, and you want to have a system that takes losses very quickly and gets you in the correct direction as soon as possible, so that you can catch that big movement early on, and then of course compound those wins to make up for the smaller losses. So we don't say that every single trade that you will take will be profitable. Of course, like I've been saying, there will be some losing trades as well. So money management, order sizing, and identifying these trends early is what makes the system powerful. For any system to work, you need to control your losses and maximize profits. And from what we've found is that this needs to be a semi-automated process, because we as humans, we are very emotional, and this is something that needs to be avoided while trading. Taking a loss and taking a win should almost feel exactly the same. That's the confidence we have in our system. Now, I've said this before, but taking your losses and moving on past them is actually more important than taking winning trades. Wins will take care of themselves, but you have to get a handle on your losses. And with our system, that process of taking losses is automated, so there's really nothing to think about. So for example, if a loss is taken at a quarter of a lot and a win is taken at a 2 or a 3 loss, you can quickly see that not all of your trades need to be winners for you to be profitable. In fact, it's more important to catch a big move early and compound that movement than to have a high win to loss ratio. So very, very important. There's a lot of math and algorithms that, paired with these indicators, allow for the HyperFX system to yield consistent profits. So all of these concepts and ratios will be provided to participants of our course to ensure a high probability of success, of course. So we've spent many years on this system, and to make sure that it's very effective and that it's very simple to use and learn. So it will not only give you great confidence, but it will allow you to enjoy trading the Forex market without fear. So what we're doing here, developing this system, is we're taking the fear, the emotions, and all of the guesswork out of our trading, which I believe are some of the most detrimental factors when it comes to trading, getting a handle on these. So the course itself, let's talk a little bit about that. It will be launching at the end of October, so it will be available to all of you guys at the end of October. The cost of this web-based curriculum, which, like I've mentioned yesterday, it will be all web-based. So the curriculum, the robot, the indicators which are required to trade successfully, the cost will be $2,500 US. Prices will most likely go up 90 days after this. So this is a special promotion that we have for those of you who have subscribed to us and have been interested in our system, and of course they have been watching our videos. So we will keep you posted on that process. Back to the screen, guys. You've noticed I just closed my trade out. And let's go back, talk a little bit back on the same chart. You see other signals there as well, which I've missed. I want to talk again, you know, like I mentioned earlier, not all signals are going to be winners. There are going to be some losses there. So let me walk you a little bit through some trades. That trade right there, that was a sell. That was a losing trade. That's another losing one. However, that buy right there, you see, it went. That we could compound, and again, it was a great trade, made up for the other two small losses. And then that was, of course, the trade that I was just in. And then it actually kept going even more. So had I had some losing trades prior, I would have compounded that win major. So that's it for me, guys, for today. I will be back next time. See you.